Welcome to the Serious Cleanse 7 and 30 Day Challenge. My name is Darcy Frankel and I'll be your guide. I'm so excited for you. Now in the Serious Cleanse course, we learn about toxins. We do a cleanse each week and I provide you with curated tests and barometers so you can track your progress. And I help you to prevent toxins from getting in the first place. Wherever you are on the spectrum, from perfect health to dealing with some health challenges, you will grow in health. And I'm so happy to be your guide. I call this the Serious Cleanse because it takes a sort of grit and gravitas to make life changes. Here's a quick overview of the week. Each day, you receive an email with valuable lessons, PDF guides, and videos to help you. Day 1, we begin our cleanse with a pre-detox and planning for the week. Day 2 is your gluten and sugar cleanse. Day 3 is all about honing and refining our senses to really listen to our body, which enhances the detoxification and cleansing process. Then on day 4, I also give you special access to my quiz, which is called Assess Your Toxic Burden. It will help you to really understand what types of toxins you have been exposed to. I love day 5. You get to learn all about the difference between food toxins and toxins in your food, and how food toxins are the easiest to create, detect, and eliminate, and I show you how. And if you've chosen to get my Serious Cleanse Protocol Kit, on day 5, 6, and 7, you will do your first 3 days of the Serious Cleanse Protocol, which helps you to cleanse toxins from your 4 organs of detoxification: the liver, the kidneys, the skin, and the lymphatic system. If you're ready to take your health to the next level, click below to order the Serious Cleanse Protocol. On day 6 and 7, you get to learn in depth about the 7 categories of toxins. Now, in case you haven't read the Welcome to Your Serious Cleanse, or you'd like to review it, please pause this and take a moment to read through that ebook. We're kicking it off today with intention setting, then a letting go practice, because nature doesn't exist in a vacuum. If you had it all your way and you could design the outcome, what would you like it to be? Healing some pain in your body or an issue in your life? Feeling better in some way? Having deeper sleep? Sleeping better? Dropping those few pounds? Go ahead and write those down and share it with our Facebook group. Now your day 1 starts off with this pre-detoxification guide, which will help you to prepare mentally, physically, and emotionally in the best possible way. And I give you 2 barometers to help you track your progress. There's a link to a super affordable, curated heavy metals and mineral test, and your pre-cleanse check-in, so that you can notate the different areas of your starting place and then track your progress so that at the end you can see how great you did. And to facilitate starting the week off great, I've provided you with a complete food guide, including 22 recipes to help you prepare healthy food during this time, shopping list and tips, the Dirty Dozen, and the Clean 15 food list, all in one place. I help you go through your kitchen, through your body, through your whole life to eliminate toxins and reduce inflammation. Now today is the beginning of your cleanse. Now after you contemplate your intentions for this course, I want you to do something as a sign of your commitment to yourself. I want you to load an empty box with all the junk food in your fridge, in your cabinets, in your pantry, and then donate it. Yes, even that little stash of junk food, let it go. As a way to do your pre-detoxification, plan to give up foods that cause inflammation and allergenic foods such as sugar, processed foods, packaged foods, fast foods, and most starches and grains. Then use your food guide or your own healthy recipes and plan 5 of your healthiest meals for the beginning of the week. Again, I'm so happy that you're doing the Serious Cleanse course and going to learn all about toxins, cleanse them from your body, track your progress, and then prevent toxins from entering in the first place. Now below you'll find everything that you'll need for today. Make sure to whitelist my email address so you get these emails every day. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow.